Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to save or convert your Canva project into a PowerPoint. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to save or convert your Canva project into a PowerPoint, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, you will need to open the Canva project that you want to convert as a PowerPoint. So to do that, just go to Project. And here in Project you will be able to see all the Canva projects you created, so just select the one that you want to turn into a PowerPoint. And once you open your project, next, I want you to click on the Share button on the top right corner. And after clicking it, you will now be able to see the download option right here. Just click it. And to save or download your project as a PowerPoint, you just need to change the file type into PPTX right here. And after selecting the PPTX as the file type, you can now click the download button to completely save your project as a PowerPoint. And after that, the downloading process will now start. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, your Canva project will now be automatically downloaded as a PowerPoint presentation, so you can now open it. And there you go guys, it's done. We have successfully saved or converted our Canva project into a PowerPoint presentation. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.